really have the chance to network, to talk to each other as regulatory professionals, both with regulators but also industry colleagues.
This is a really key event for all regulatory professionals from around the globe who can come together to understand what's new, innovative and evolving in the regulatory arena, whether it's for human medicines, for medical devices or for veterinary medicine. But also really key for small medium enterprises who are trying to establish themselves in a very robust regulatory framework.